Ever watched YouTube at night and felt like the screen was way too bright? You're not alone. Bright screens can make your eyes sore and your head ache. That's where dark mode comes in. It's a quick fix, and it makes YouTube much easier on the eyes. If you're new to this kind of stuff, don't worry. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to know where to tap. And that's exactly what this guide will show you. Start by unlocking your phone. Find and open the YouTube app. It's the same one you use to watch funny videos, music clips, or how-to tutorials. Once you're in the app, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it. That takes you to your account menu. This menu has a bunch of options. It might look confusing, but you're only interested in one thing: settings. Look for the gear-shaped icon and tap on it. That's your way into the controls. Now you're in the settings. You'll see a section called General. Tap it. This is where the magic starts. Inside the General section, you'll find something labeled Appearance. This is where you choose how YouTube looks. Tap on it and you'll see three options. The first one is Use Device Theme. This means YouTube will copy your phone's current look. If your phone is already in dark mode, YouTube will follow suit. The second choice is Light Theme, which keeps everything white and bright. But what you're here for is the third option, the Dark Theme. Tap on Dark Theme. Your screen will instantly change. The white background turns black. The text becomes light. It's easier on the eyes, especially if the lights are off or the room is dim. You can now watch videos without feeling like the screen is burning a hole through your retinas. So, why even bother switching? There are three good reasons. First, it saves your eyes from strain. That means you can watch videos longer without getting tired. Second, if your phone has an OLED screen, it can even save battery. And third, it just looks cooler. It's sleek, modern, and clean. This small change might seem like a detail, but it makes a big difference, especially at night. It's like turning on a lamp with a softer bulb. The room feels more relaxing, and your eyes don't have to work so hard. You've just learned how to make YouTube feel better to use. No extra apps, no help from others, just you and a few taps. It might not seem like much, but being able to change settings on your own builds confidence. And now that you've done it once, you can do it again. So, the next time you're up late watching something interesting, remember this little tip. You'll enjoy your screen more, and your eyes will thank you for it.